Third grade, welcome back. If you are watching this video, that means that you have finished your foreground and your middle ground and you're ready to go ahead and decorate your background. On the very bottom, it's blank because that's going to get covered up by a lot of the buildings. So that's why when we printed these out, we made sure that they were going to be above most of the buildings, maybe covered up by just the ones that were really tall. So, I mean, you can add more things down here if you want to. Chances are they're going to be covered up. So we have our drawing that we liked, we picked it out, we printed it. So step one, just like last time, is to grab your Sharpie, take your time, go slow, outline all of the things on your page. So one thing you're going to notice, there was a line going down because this design has a night sky and a day sky. I left the line, but if you wanted to draw over it with the black, you can, but I'm going to be using black paint for the night sky and blue for the day sky, so I didn't really feel like I needed to outline that with marker. Step two is just coloring in all of the small things. Remember, even if you're going to color in something white, like the clouds or the windshield of the plane, you're still going to want to color it in white, because when we go to paint the sky, whether it's blue or black, if we accidentally get paint on top of the wax from the colored pencil, we can wipe it off and there's no harm done. So make sure that you're even coloring in white things. That way, if we make a mistake with the paintbrush, we can just wipe it away with our finger or a Kleenex. Great job so far, third grade. Last step, just like on our foreground and middle ground, there's a lot to fill in behind all of the things that we drew. So instead of hurting our hands and using colored pencils or crayons or markers and trying to fill in such a large area, we're actually just going to go ahead and use paint. Now, because I'm going to be doing a day sky and a night sky, I'm going to start with my lighter color first. So I'll be doing the blue sky first, and then I'll be doing the black. If you're just doing blue, obviously do blue. If you only have black, just do black. Now, some of you are going to want a darker color and some of you are going to want a lighter color. So when you're loading your brush up, if you want a lighter color, instead of spinning the brush so much, maybe only do it once or twice and use a lot of water. A lot of water is going to get you a lighter color. So my blue is pretty light, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to keep spreading this out until it almost loses its blue color, and then I know that it's time to add a little bit more. So if you like a really light color, again, don't spin it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. You want more water on your brush than paint, and you can see that that got really, really dark. But if I continue to spread it out, it does get lighter because there's less paint in that area. So spreading it out will make it lighter. Adding more water to your brush will also make your colors lighter. So if you like a lighter blue, use less paint. If you like a darker blue, use more paint. If you kind of like a little bit of both, try a little bit of both. Okay, third grade, before we can go any farther with this project, we do have to let this dry. So if there's still time in class, you can just set it off to the side. You can clean off your area, let it dry. I don't know, won't take very long, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then you'll want to watch the next video, which is going to show you how to make this a 3D sculpture so that it stands up on its own. Great job on the background. We'll see you in the next video.